how to convert your notes to a PDF file on your iPad. So in this video, I'll show you how you can save your notes as a PDF document. Now, all you need to do is go and load up the Notes app on your iPad like this. You can either create a new note or you can open up an existing note. Once you have your note open, click on the share icon in the top right hand side of the window. Click on the drop down arrow next to collaborate and make sure you have send copy selected. Now click on the drop down arrow next to view more and then click on print from the list of options. Now click on the share icon in the top right hand side. You can then press save to files and then select a location where you want to save the PDF document to. So I'm just going to save this on my iPad and then you can hit save. Now this will automatically convert it into a PDF document. So if you go and open up the Files app on your iPad, you can then locate the note that we just converted and saved to our files. If you go and hold your finger down on the note, you can select Get Info, and as you can see, this has been converted into a PDF document.